You will be amazed by this 2021 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This distinctive Range Rover delivers legendary off-road capability and stunning luxury. Elegant, powerful, richly appointed, and exquisitely modern in every way, it takes you to the pinnacle in royal style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, four-wheel drive, wood grain interior trim, heated rear seat, fog lamps, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.